A standing hearing in court today for the inquest into the death of Machuar Madut, a South Sudanese man who was shot and killed by Winnipeg police back in February of 2019. Now, usually these hearings aren't too noteworthy. They're used to decide who will participate in the upcoming inquest. But today, a big step forward for Madut's family and those interested in social mental health systems changing. A judge ruled today a coalition made up of 7 community groups, together representing over 100,000 Winnipeggers, will be allowed full standing in the inquest. The groups are made up of newcomer serving agencies, mental health experts, and social planning organizations. Full standing means the coalition will be able to question witnesses and make submissions, something the judge ruled they should be able to do because of their relevant perspectives to this case. The inquest will then make recommendations on how Madut's death might have been prevented.
I was rather not police to respond, somebody else to respond that knows about mental health and would handle the situation differently.
He says he wants police to rely less on their guns so others don't suffer the same fate as his dad, who suffered with mental illness and was allegedly using a hammer to break into suites shortly before he was killed.
What played a big role in this too is people didn't look at him as somebody who was in distress, who needed a mental health intervention. They looked at him as a black man who's, breaking into somebody's whatever. They saw him as a criminal, not as somebody who's having a hard time.
She's hoping today's ruling is a first step toward concrete change.
I want change to happen, and we need to end racial profiling, and we need as a community to come together to address that systemic change needs to happen.
The date for the inquest has not yet been set. In Winnipeg, Stephanie Lasuk, City News.